Hi everyone! Welcome back po sa aming channel. Happy Friday! Yan si Zelda, kakapaligo niya lang. Ang taba-taba na ni baby Zelda, oh. Our 4-month-old baby Zelda. Ang haba na din niya. Hi Zelda! Hi baby! Are you looking at your ate Zeta? Yay! Zelda did it! Hi everyone! Welcome back po sa aming channel. Happy Friday! So, ano naman kami ngayon? Out and about. Pupunta kami ng Asian grocery store. May bibilhin lang kami doon. And then after that, yung normal na ginagawa namin, pupunta kami sa, sa fast food. Where are we going? Same thing? Taco Bell? Taco Bell. Favorite na kasi yun. And KFC. Tapos, pupunta ulit kami sa forest. So yun. Yun lang ang aming typical day dito. Sasamahan niyo po kami. Dito na kami guys sa Asian store. Naghahanap ako ng yung soy sauce natin kaso wala sila. Gusto i-try ni Mr. yung tamari soy sauce. Ayan si baby Zelda. Hindi na namin tinanggal sa kanyang car seat. This is Zelda. So, dan na kaming mamili dito sa Asian store. Walang masyadong mga Filipino products. Yung sabi nga ni Mr. Saan daw ba kami nakahanap nung pansit na yun? Doon pa yun sa Berlin, Connecticut, masyadong malayo sa amin. Yung Filipino store talaga. So, yung mga Asian store dito malapit sa amin, wala silang masyadong mga Filipino products. So, kimchi lang yung nabili namin. Tapos, itatry namin yung isang soy sauce na nakita ni Mr. Kung masarap ba. And, ewan ko kung mukha yata siya ng soda. So, ayun lang, konti lang. Nasa $20 na agad yun. Inaantay lang namin siya. Meron siyang binibili dito across the street. Dito na lang kami sa loob. And then after that, yun, napupunta na kami sa Taco Bell and KFC. And then sa forest, of course, yun ang, ito lang naman yung aming typical American life as a Filipino-American family here in the countryside of Connecticut. Ayan, simple lang talaga yung buhay namin dito. Zeta. Si Zeta nag-enjoy siya dun sa loob ng Asian store. Kasi ang dami niyang nakikitang mga food, mga fruits, ganyan. Gusto nga sana bumili ni Mr. nung pomelo. Kaso, medyo mahal, $10. Sabi ko, wag na kasi parang kalasa lang din naman yun ng grapefruit. Hindi naman siya mahilig sa mga citrus fruits. So, ito yung way papunta sa, sa forest na tayo.
Work ahead, see more bullshit.
What?
More bullshit. Look.
Work area. I told you, you should just go to the playground. So, andito na kami guys. Magsa-sunset na. Natagalan kami. Kain tayo guys ng KFC. Yan si Zeta, she's eating fries. Ayun na naman lumabas ni Mr. Malamig daw. Medyo malamig na. Ay, this is yours. This is yours. Mama will just eat this fries. That's your fries. Kain tayo guys ha. Malamig na. Yummy ah. Ikot.
Why? Why?
What? Ay, cold. It's cold. You told him it's cold. It's cold here. Kasi nasa harapan kami ng tubig, kaya malamig din.
Mama, why?
Ah.
Mama, why?
Grabe ang sunset. 4:30 sunset na agad. Oopsie.
Are we cold?
Cold.
What's out?
Wait, baby. You wanna stand up so that you won't get cold. Ayan yung nasa harapan namin, guys. Tubig yan siya. Zayda, are you cold?
Yes. Go.
It's cold. So, ito yung aming food.
Balloon. Go. Sure.
Chicken tenders. Ito kay Zayda. Tsaka milk.
Go.
It's really cold.
Go.
It's really cold. I'm just gonna hug you. Crackle. You're freezing. Nanginginig si Zayda.
Cold.
It's really cold.
Cold.
Malamig ah. Ay.
How come
It's really cold.
Where you go?
It's really cold. It's really cold.
Mama, why? Mama, why?
Mama, what?
Go.
Hi, camera.
Mama, why?
Say hi, camera. We are here in the middle of the forest having some picnic.
Mama, why?
Andito kami ngayon sa forest, guys. It's currently magpa 4:30 p.m. na. Magsa-sunset na. Si Mr. tsaka si Zelda andun sila sa loob ng sasakyan. Lamig kasi.
Away.
Is it cold? Sabi mo,
Mama, why?
kain po tayo.
Really cold.
Hmm?
Really cold.
It's really malapit na magdilim, guys.
Go.
Is it cold? Is it cold? Si Mr. ayaw na ayaw niyan sa malamig. Kaya lumabas ng sasakyan. Where's your chicken? You want your chicken? You don't want it? You just eat it later? At home? At home, yeah. So ito lang yung ganap namin for today, guys. Walang masyado. Ganito lang talaga, simpleng araw lang. Tapos bukas kami ay syempre grocery shopping ulit. Lamig na.
Why? Mama,
Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo yung yung sound ng tubig, ng river. Where is Dada? Dada is inside the car with Zelda. Maya-maya uwi na rin kami. Ang damig na kasi. Tsaka madilim na. Nga pala na naman ako, nabudol. Hindi na ako nakapag-antay ng Black Friday sale. Nakapag-order na naman ako ng medyo madami sa Shein. Kaya magaganda naman yung mga items. Hindi pa dumarating. Dalawa pa lang yung dumating. Yung shoes. Yung shoes nila ang mura. Ito suot ko na. Hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo yan. Super comfy niyan. Pang winter. Tapos ang warm niya sa loob. Ang mura lang. Wala pang $20. Tapos yung playmat ni Zelda. Yun yung mga dumating na. Kasi eligible for quick ship. Yung iba, paparating pa lang. Mga damit yan naman ng kids. Ang winter din. Ang dami kong sauce sa labi.
Titi Dolly. Titi Dolly. Titi Dolly. Titi Dolly.
Huh? You go there. I'm gonna get Zelda, but you stay here. Ang lamig, ang lakas ng hangin. Zayla, you wanna go inside the car na? Ha?
Well done.
Well done? You're all done? Can you do it? Where do you wanna go? You wanna go see the water? It's the water. It's the water. The water is right there. There. You wanna see it? There. Stay here.
I see water.
Yeah, you see water.
I see water.
You see water. That's the water. It's coldy. Is it coldy? Just stay here, baby. It's
I
dangerous.
see water.
Scary.
Hello, water. Here. Shine.
Is it cold?
I see
3.
water.
Water. So, uwi na kami guys. Ayan, madilim na agad oh. Ano na, 4:40 p.m. So, sunset na.
So they moved that rock. They put that rock there. They moved it back.
Ang dilim. Ang dilim na. Scary. Is this the area where the lady got lost? The other area?
Well, I guess she was over at the other spot.
Yeah, basta dito sa may banda dito yung nawala yung ano, babae. Hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin siya nakikita. Tapos mga nakapaskil dyan sa mga poste-poste dyan, sa mga puno-puno yung ano, itsura niya. Missing person, ganyan. Si Mr. natatakot din kanina. Yan ang itsura ng forest pagka ano na, takip silim. Takip silim talaga. Nilagyan nila ng ano dito, porta potty.
You're showing them.
Yeah. Because he said that they just
I'm excited
put it
about
there.
porta potties because I live where there is no toilet.
It's so dark. Can't
I don't know
see.
why anybody else would be excited.
Well, it's in the forest.
Unless
I
you
think
live in a tractor trailer, porta potty is not exciting. Living in a tractor trailer, porta potty is amazing.
well, if you are in the middle of the forest, I think it's kind of exciting to see a porta potty. Yan. Ano dito? Rough road. Pakita ko sa inyo yung daan. Ayan, andito may mga sasakyan. Mga tao pa rin. Dito na tayo sa main road. So yan guys, pauwi na kami. And ayun, tatapusin ko na rin ang video dito. Hindi ko mai-face yung camera dito sa amin kasi ang dilim. Hindi nyo rin kami makikita. So thank you so much po for watching and see you again next time. Bye!